To register your face in Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus, open Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the apps screen. Tap Settings. Tap Lock Screen and Security. Tap Face Recognition. Enter your password, PIN, pattern, or fingerprint if required. Get ready to unlock your phone by showing your face. Tap Continue. To face registration, hold your phone 20 or 50 centimeters from your face. Position your eyes in the circle shown on the screen. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.